Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we are going to discuss changing out the air jet in a blasting gun. We have our 15 and our 5 CFM air jets now, and we've had some questions about how to actually change these out. We're going to give you a quick demo on how that needs to be done. First thing you want to do is take off the end of the gun, because if we're switching from our standard CFM air jet to a 15 CFM air jet, we're going to change out the boron carbide tip, which is inside here. These tips are two different directions. You have the large opening here and the smaller opening on the end. The smaller opening goes down inside the actual cap itself. This is a 10 millimeter tip. If you're switching to the 15, you're going to go down to an 8 millimeter tip. If you're switching to a 5, you're going to go down to a 6 millimeter tip. But the tip simply slides into the end of the gun. You'll notice this one actually has some tape wrapped around it, and that is actually to just make it fit a little bit snugger down inside of the tip there so it doesn't fall back out. Inside of here is your actual air jet, this piece right here. So to remove this, you're actually going to need an Allen wrench. You don't have to take it all the way out, but you do need to loosen it. This one is going to slide right out with no problem, but what we found is if you've got an older blast gun, what you may end up having to do is put it into a vise, and then we use a center punch and a hammer, and we just tap until the tip will actually be loose and come back out. Once you've got the tip out, you place your new one in, tighten back up the Allen, put your tip back on the gun, and then you can hook it back up in your machine, and you've converted your blast gun from a 20 CFM tip to a 15 or a 5 CFM tip. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.